I'm going to show you two ways that you can edit photos using ChatGPT. One is having photos made in ChatGPT, and then the second, we can actually take a photo from our photo gallery and edit that one as well. So let's go to ChatGPT. And what we're going to do is, as you see here, I have a prompt here and it just gave me a photo. What we can do is edit this photo. So let's say we want to put someone in the boat that's on the lake. So let's go ahead and say, put a person fishing on the boat. So it's a prompt, it's going to go through and it's going to edit that photo and it's going to give you a new image based on that prompt. It does take a couple seconds depending on how busy the app is, but it really shouldn't take all that long to edit the photo. Once your photo is finished, there you have it. It's really easy to go through and edit these types of photos. We can check out the photo, zoom in, you can go ahead and save it as well, but that's it. With the free version, you only have a certain amount of photos you can edit or upload, so just keep that in mind. So the next method we can do is uploading one of our own photos and editing that as well. So when you're in your homepage here on ChatGPT, all you have to do is hit the plus sign at the bottom left-hand corner, and we're going to go to all photos. I'm just going to scroll through and pick a photo here. Let's just pick this one here. Go ahead and hit the check mark. So now that that photo is getting ready to be uploaded, what we can do is put a prompt in. So let's say, put some sunglasses on the dog, and go ahead and hit send. And now it's going to take that photo that we took ourselves that are in our own gallery, and it's going to edit that photo with that prompt. And once it's done doing the photo, it pops up and that's it. It's super simple and super easy to just go through and add sunglasses, to add photos, to add images, to really do anything that you want with ChatGPT. But